Righto, so another Lick Friday. This week we're on 382 and we're covering 5 pentatonics from the upper octave on frets 19 and 17, running through shape 4, 3, 2 and then back to 1 on the lower octave on frets 5 and 7. So it is an epic lick for you to get your teeth stuck into, but if you do enjoy it, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button for the future notifications if it works. YouTube, wonder if it does. Let me know in the comments below, and come and visit me on all the social media, say hi, suggestions and that stuff. Any comments below with suggestions would be appreciated as well. Right, let's get on with that lick. There you go. It is awesome. I like this lick because it's triplet pattern, it's nice to play, it's fluent, and it gets you thinking initially, but you kind of need to get the motor skills set in place as you run through. So with that in mind, the backing track is at the end of the video, or a smaller version. If you want the full version, that's on my Patreon page, which is Dan's, no it's not, it's Dan's page, yeah it is Dan's page, which is patreon.com/Dan's page. I'll get it right, would I? And the tab can be found on my website, which is dansguitar.com. If I kept them all the same, that would be brilliant. Right, that is about it. I'm not going to ramble on anymore. Let's get on with the lick breakdown. Straightforward enough, hopefully. Anyway, you have pentatonic in A minor. What could be better than that, huh? But basically you're moving from the higher octaves, so shape 1 in the higher octave, down to shape 5, into shape 4, into shape 3, into shape 2, and then back to shape 1 to finish it off with. So you're actually linking all 5 shapes and covering 1 octave with those 5 shapes. That in itself is pretty cool. But you end up with this. So let me just bring my tab up. 19 pull off to 17, so remember the hammer-ons and pull-offs on this are quite important. So you've got on that 3rd string, and then the 19 on the 4th, 17 with vibrato on that 3rd string, okay? And then you've got the same thing again of those 3 notes. So that's the pull-off 19, 17 to the 19 on the 4th, and then this is all triplets from now on in, and you've got 17 slide down to 14. 3rd string to the 17 on the 4th string, and then 14 slide to 12, 1st finger, take note of the fingers, on the 3rd string, and then 14 on that 4th string, hammer on from 12 to 14, 3rd string, going through into the shape 4 of the pentatonics, nearly forgot, 13 2nd string, 12 on the 1st string, and then 15, 13 and 10 all on that 2nd string, kind of leading you into the 3rd shape of the pentatonics, where you've got the, you've just gone down to that 10, so we've got 12 pull off to 10 on the 1st string, 13, 10, 8 on the 2nd string, and that part basically leads you into shape 2 of the pentatonics. Then you're back to 10 on that 2nd string, pull off to 8, and then it's the 3rd string 9, 7, slide down to the 5, and then 7 on the 4th string, basically now into shape 1 of the pentatonics. Going back across to shapes, number 7 on the 3rd string, back to 7 on the 4th string, notice I'll use the same finger, and then it's 5 on the 3rd string, 7 pull off to 5 4th string, 7 on the 5th, 7 4th, 7 5th, 5 on the 4th, and then 7 on the 4th string as well to finish the lick. Let me try and play it for you slow. I say try, but let's see how it goes. So 3, 4, and 1. just about got through that all right. That's back to me. Nice one for getting to the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, please do consider that subscribe button, the bell button, and visiting all the social media and following me on there as well. Comment below with any suggestions or queries or whatever you want to put in there, or just to say hi. And I will see you all next week for week 383. Yes. See you later, everyone. Have a great bank holiday weekend.